Hello, everyone. Welcome to Flow Space 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 15. We will study 12 new vocabulary words. The words are adopt, agile, analyze, assist, babble, captivity, drab, fatal, generosity, genuine, illegal, and merit. Let's read, think, and learn together. Let's get started. Our first word is adopt. Say it with me, adopt. Adopt is a verb. It means to take another person's child into one's family. It can also mean to use as one's own, to accept, or to approve. For example, a family may adopt an orphan from another country. Another example is, the class decided to adopt a new rule for group work. Some synonyms are choose, select, endorse, and assume. Some antonyms are reject, disown, refuse, renounce, abandon, and desert. Why might a family adopt a child? What is one good habit you could adopt? Our next word is agile. Say it with me, agile. Agile is an adjective. It means able to move easily, quickly, and gracefully. It can also mean mentally quick. For example, to be a successful rock climber, it helps to be strong and agile. Another example is, the cat was agile and jumped onto the wall. Some synonyms are nimble, spry, limber, alert, and sharp. Some antonyms are clumsy, heavy, and slow. What animals are agile? Why is it helpful to be agile in sports? Our next word is analyze. Say it with me, analyze. Analyze is a verb. It means to study the parts of something carefully in order to understand it. For example, scientists analyze moon rocks to learn more about what the moon is made of. Another example is, we analyze the chart before writing our report. Some synonyms are examine, inspect, investigate, evaluate, test, and dissect. Some antonyms are ignore and overlook. What topic would you like to analyze more deeply? Why is it helpful to analyze information carefully? Our next word is assist. Say it with me, assist. Assist can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, assist means to give help or support. As a noun, assist means the act of helping. In sports, an assist is an action that helps a teammate score. For example, several doctors may assist a surgeon during an operation. Another example is, a hockey player may receive credit for an assist. Some synonyms are aid, boost, and contribute. Some antonyms are hamper, hinder, obstruct, and obstruction. How can you assist your family at home? How can students assist each other in class? Our next word is babble. Say it with me, babble. Babble can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, babble means to talk foolishly or too much, to make meaningless sounds, or to make a gurgling sound. As a noun, babble means a mix of meaningless sounds. For example, some people can babble on the telephone for hours. Another example is, the soft babble of a creek can be very relaxing. Some synonyms are chatter, jabber, rattle, gab, drivel, nonsense, and murmur. Some antonyms are be quiet and stay silent. When might babbling be annoying? What natural sound can babble? Our next word is captivity. Say it with me, captivity. Captivity is a noun. It means the state of being confined or held against one's will. For example, some prisoners of war have been held in captivity for years. Another example is, the bird had never lived in captivity before. Some synonyms are confinement, imprisonment, and bondage. Some antonyms are freedom and liberty. How is captivity different from freedom? Why do animals need freedom? Our next word is drab. Say it with me, drab. Drab can be a noun and an adjective. As a noun, drab means an olive brown or brownish gray color. As an adjective, drab means dull, boring, colorless, or cheerless. For example, the old canvas tents were a faded drab. Another example is, this drab and rainy afternoon seems endless. Some synonyms are dull, dingy, colorless, uninteresting, lackluster, and dreary. Some antonyms are colorful, cheerful, and bright. What things look drab in color? How can you make a drab room feel brighter? Our next word is fatal. Say it with me, fatal. Fatal is an adjective. It means causing death, destruction, or ruin. For example, one passenger suffered a fatal injury. Another example is, a fatal mistake can ruin the whole plan. Some synonyms are deadly, lethal, and disastrous. Some antonyms are harmless, healthful, and safe. Why do we say safety rules are important? What kinds of mistakes can become fatal in emergencies? Our next word is generosity. Say it with me, generosity. Generosity is a noun. It means the quality of being charitable and willing to give. It can also mean kindness shown through giving. For example, the heiress is well known for her generosity. Another example is, his generosity made everyone feel welcome. Some synonyms are charity, unselfishness, and kindness. Some antonyms are stinginess, cheapness, and greed. What are some ways people show generosity? Is generosity only about giving money? Our next word is genuine. Say it with me, genuine. Genuine is an adjective. It means real, actually being what something appears to be. True, sincere, or honest. For example, I wonder if this is a genuine fossil. Another example is, her smile was genuine and kind. Some synonyms are authentic, original, actual, trustworthy, earnest, and frank. Some antonyms are fake, false, artificial, unreal, insincere, and phony. How can you tell if something is genuine? Why is it important to be genuine? Our next word is illegal. Say it with me, illegal. Illegal is an adjective. It means against the law or against the rules. For example, stealing is an illegal act. Another example is, it is illegal to drive without a license. Some synonyms are unlawful, criminal, outlawed, forbidden, and prohibited. Some antonyms are legal, lawful, and allowed. Why do we have laws and rules? What is the difference between illegal and unfair? Our last word is merit. Say it with me, merit. Merit can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, merit means worth, value, or a quality that deserves reward or praise. As a verb, merit means to deserve or be worthy of something. For example, her science project has great merit. Another example is, his poems merit being published. Some synonyms are excellence, virtue, quality, worthiness, earn, justify, and rate. Some antonyms are disgrace, dishonor, failing, shortcoming, defect, flaw, and fault. What kinds of work deserve praise? What gives a project merit? Great job today! You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Orange Level Unit 15. Let's read them one more time. Adopt, agile, analyze, assist, babble, captivity, drab, fatal, generosity, genuine, illegal, and merit. Keep practicing these words. Use them in your own sentences to help remember them. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.